Welcome to the Marty Sati YouTube channel. If you've got an airbrushing service, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, haven't heard of Marty Sites just yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for a small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people's various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So usually I'd head to the top and I'd search for my market, but I can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our airbrushing service business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your airbrushing service is based, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let multi sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some absolutely amazing images of all the different airbrushing work you've done, and you want to showcase it on your website. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how to make some amendments to your multi-site website, working my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. So let's get cracking. I'm going to make my way to the first section at the top and click on update section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on site. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put that phone number in. It is click to call, by the way. If you have a physical location, go ahead and put it in over here. Maybe your business is mobile, that's okay. When you put your address in, if you do have one, it's displayed on your website. When your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, we can put in our various social media platforms that our airbrushing service is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as the bottom. So your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Logo has now been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on this little pencil over here so I can slightly crop my logo so it fits better into the section at the top. You can add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, zoom in, rotate, flip it, etc. Let's go ahead and let that re-upload. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save. When our logo is uploaded, there we go. We can make it bigger and smaller, but that sizing is absolutely spot on, so I'm going to leave it. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your airbrushing service, but maybe your logo, your branding, your signage on your vehicle is a completely different color to this one over here. You want to change it, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket and go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I want something that really stands out. That is really great. That one looks really cool too. I think I'm going to go ahead and select that one for now. I can change it at a later stage. Let's head on over to update image. Now go ahead and browse your device and upload your own images if you have. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Now MultiSite is automatically searching for airbrushing service. There's not many suitable images here as you can see. So I'm going to play around with the keywords a little bit and search for different terms. So I've just searched for airbrush and I can see loads of suitable images here. Now I'm going to go ahead and select this one because it goes with my green. I think I actually already have that image. Indeed, I do. So that goes really, really well. I'm going to leave it like that as is anyway. If you want to choose another image, go ahead and do so. Let's head on over to update content. Over here, title, subtitle can say whatever you needed to for your business. Button currently says get free estimate, but maybe you just wanted to say contact us or something along those lines. Awesome. Let's go ahead and choose a link. We can link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings on a third party website. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. You can upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload a catalog or a brochure of your services. Or you can link to another part of your website, like the lead form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a second. But I'm going to go ahead and link to that lead form for now for that first button at the top. Awesome. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into airbrushing. Maybe it's a family run business. Go ahead and put all the details here on your background, how this business came to be. Your customers would absolutely love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details about the different services you offer your customers. Do you have, like, maybe perhaps no job is too big or too small? You can take on various projects. Maybe you can put details on why your customers should choose you. Have you got free consultations to discuss the customer's airbrushing project? Do you use high quality paints and equipment? Do you do one of a kind projects so no two projects will ever be the same? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section. We've now made our way into that lead form at the bottom, which I've just mentioned to you. Over here, if your customers have any queries, they can put their details in, click send, and you will get notified via your registered email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the Smarty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, you can add Mighty Sites as a user and we will set your domain up for you. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, maybe you've recently launched your business. Congratulations, by the way. You don't have a domain, you can click on I want a new domain and purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. It just adds a more professional aspect when you do have a custom domain on your small business website. Over here, we're in the your Mighty dashboard. Over here, you can find the leads via that form at the bottom I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your airbrushing service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.